So sometimes I'm trying to think, what should my background be when I'm doing live streams? You know, you may have seen my wall before. It was cosmic blue, and I'm still a huge fan of cosmic blue. But now I have this Govee curtain. And I love this Govee curtain. Super easy to put up. I have two of the curtains, and I have them programmed together so that whatever shows up on one can go over onto the other, or they can show duplicate things. And so this is the route I went to change up my live streams. And it has connectors that go into the wall. They have these pins. And by the way, those are sharp, so be careful. I used a hammer and put those into the wall, and they did really well. And then you want to kind of space them out together and try to put them as close as you can so they hold down straight. The straighter they are, the prettier they look, of course. And so see right here is the juncture of the two curtains where I have them right there. And they go down, so there's a bit of space there. I really liked it. It was really easy to set up, a little 6-foot ladder, and I was able to put them up. And each curtain comes with like lots of connectors, including the ones that I showed you in the video just now. It also comes with some adhesive, so you can like stick things to the wall so that you can try to get the curtains closer, the lines closer together, because that works out really well. Now, let me show you some scenes so you can see what it does. Yeah. So I really love the Govee app. And right now, for example, I've got it set that every time I make a noise, it goes off and does. And I have two of these. So I go same model and I group them together. And then I can go in. And right now I've got it set to music. And so now it has high sensitivity. And so whatever I do, it's going to do. But I can also change colors. So here's purple, green, yellow, orange, red, light blue, purple. I could go all through the spectrum and find others. That's probably the closest I have right there to my cosmic blue, but it's very purple. And then you can do scenes, and so you can have natural, festival, life, funny, animals, night scene, decorations. So I want to show you some of the cool scenes that you can do with the Govee app. So right now, that's supposed to be sunset. And these are starfish, Christmas trees, gingerbread houses with snow. But my favorite is going to be sound and music, because I can always snap, 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 and make it do this. I do like the falling sand, okay? Hello. Hello. This is like the, this is Spectrum. I like this too. This is a very cool one. Dream Color. 1. But I like that it's sound activated. But Meteor Shower is absolutely my best on the sound activated. That's my favorite. And that's why I love the Govee, because it does all this. And so, yeah, if you like it, I'm going to have a link down in the description for Amazon. It's going to be an affiliate link. I might get some pennies if you buy it. I think you'll love it. You got to figure out what you're going to put behind you. What is me? And that's what you're looking for. What represents who you are? And so I think the Govee curtain is a fun way to represent who I am. Thanks for watching. Bye. You're quite a ways away. Come here. Come in for a close-up. There we go.